soft and so smooth and buttery and just sexy and just oof.
Okay, maybe I met you. Okay. You want a product that's going to make your skin pop. As you can tell, I've been already dipping into it. But you know, I don't gatekeep, so I want my viewers to see this. To contour, I'm going to do the darkest brown here. This one looks like a black. That joker just look black. It ain't, but it's close to it. I'm going to go with the second darkest, which is called Blend and Snatch. Foundation, primer, moisturizer, I already put all that on as well. It just glides, y'all. It glides, it just glides. It's creamy, it's a buttery texture. It's very unique. So we're gonna do the same on that side. Like that. The rhythm of the stream. I'm gonna put a little bit down here. Just a little bit. And you guys, a little bit of this product goes a long way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use different tools for each side. For this side, I'm going to use my Beauty Blender and see how that blends out. And for this side, I'm going to use my brush to blend it out. So let's see if there's any kind of difference in that. All right, here we go. Beauty Blender. Just a beautiful application, you guys. It blends out so easily, so perfectly. Like I said again, it's very creamy. Oh my god, yes. And you don't need to even put in a whole lot of work because it's already your skin. It's your skin. Now it's my skin. This is my skin now. Alright, so that's with the Beauty Blender. Make sure you blend it out good. Like so. That's pretty much that. Okay, now with the other side, I'm going to use my brush and see if there's any kind of difference. So I do notice the Beauty Blender, since this product is so creamy, it's going to kind of soak up a little more of it versus on the other side when I use the brush, you can definitely see more of the application on there. So I think with the brush, most definitely would be the best option for this product. Still very pretty on both sides, still very pretty. For this product though, since it's just so creamy, it will probably be best if you use a brush to blend it out. So I'm gonna go in using the brush everywhere else I had applied that shade. Now, if you have oily skin, I don't know if it's gonna be a lot on you, because if you're prone to oiliness, this stuff is already very almost greasy. I want to say greasy, but it's close to being kind of a greasy, but it's like a good kind of, it's like a buttery soft application. Like I can't even explain. It's lovely. Yeah, I would suggest if you have oily skin, if you use the Curve Case, make sure you have a great primer. I wouldn't even bother putting on too much moisturizer because that's going to make your skin even more just greasy looking if you're prone to oily skin. So yeah, and don't apply a whole lot because like I said, a little bit of this stuff goes a long way. Yes. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with some bronzer, kind of deepen my depths of my face a little bit more. And for that, I'm going in with Chocolate Charm, the lightest brown in the palette. With that, I'm gonna go a little bit above where I contour, just a little bit above it. Where I contoured. And kind of the same spots up here. Like I said, y'all, a little bit of this goes a long way. I think that's it. I don't need to do any down here because, yeah, just around here. Yeah, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna blend this out with my brush because because that's what we want to use for now on. Although I love me a beauty, I'm a beauty blender girl. I use my beauty blender every time, all the time. But depending on the product, brushes can apply a lot better. But y'all, the coverage is really nice. I love the coverage. I love the feel of the product. It just feels like I said. And look at the packaging, y'all. Y'all remember? Woo, child, I'm old. Them old butter cases that they would put butter in. It feels and looks just like that. Oh my god, I miss my grandma. That is good enough. All right. Oh, I'm all bronzed up and black and beautiful. Yes, yes, made by Mitchell. Yes, a little bit to the sides of the bridge of my nose. Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna put some concealer, some light concealer on. All right, now that you're nice and blended. Okay, you guys, let's add some of the blush. I think I'm gonna use this dark orange one called Where's the SPF right here. A little bit of this goes a long way. Ooh, that's so pretty, you guys. It's so vibrant. I love how vibrant this palette is. And now with my beauty blender, I'm gonna blend the blush out because I don't like a whole lot of blush, so I don't mind the beauty blender soaking some of it in. I don't want a whole lot of blush, but really pretty, really pretty. Look at all that. That's a lot. I only put a dab on there. Look how much. God damn. So you always want to make sure you get all your creams and liquids out the way before you put any powders on, y'all. Even without putting any powder on yet, it feels like my skin had just kind of absorbed it. Them UK girlies over there got it made, cause wow. I normally go in with my Huda Beauty. This is in the shade Kanufa. And now to set the bronzers with the Fenty. And now a whole lot of this stuff, like this stuff goes a long way too. You use too much of this stuff, you're gonna be looking crazy. Like that. The bronze on the sides of the bridge of the nose. Kind of wobbly looking brush here. And just get all the loose powder. So you ain't gotta press hard, just get whatever's loose. Alright, so what I like to go back in with is your preference, either a foundation brush or a beauty blender. I like to just, after I done swiped all the loose powder, I like to just go back in and press that powder that's left over into my skin. And make sure you blend, blend, blend! If you need to go in with a spray to like loosen, like to help blend everything in, kind of just helps get everything a little wet again. You're so pretty. You are. I'm talking to you. You're pretty. This is a Juvia's Place in the shade Coca. It's going to use it to line up my lips. Alright, here we are. The shade Milk for Me. This was viral on TikTok and I saw a lot of black girls using this, so let's find out. Oh, this is cute. Oh, I like it. So the lip gloss is very pretty. It's very creamy. The shade is pretty. It goes I like it. Usually when I do like a pink like this, I automatically go like, ew, because it's like, But this is different. This is nice. What y'all think? It's cute. I like it. Milkshake for me. Okay. It's smooth. It's nice. I love it. I like the look. Okay, okay, for the black girls. Okay, maybe I met you. Okay. So y'all, with the curve case, I honestly will give this 10 out of 10 and 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. 5 stars across the board. So creamy, so delicious. Okay guys, so that was the review. I hope you liked it. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want me to do a review on any other products, please let me know. And I'll see you next time. I love it. I love it, love it, love it.